In this video, let's discuss on the topic of arithmetic progression. Progression means it is a series of terms written in an order. In the case of arithmetic progression, the next term will depend upon previous term with a common difference. Like if suppose the first term is x, second term is x plus the common difference. The third term will be previous term plus d, that is x plus d plus d. So first term is x, second term is x plus d, third term is x plus 2d, fourth term will be x plus 3d, and so on. In this progression, next term differs previous term with a fixed number. Let us consider in this topic first term as a only, and second term differs first term by d, and if you add again d for term, you will get a plus 2d. This series continues. Let's analyze this series and check whether this series are in arithmetic progression or not. I have just now told you, for a progression to be arithmetic, next term will be previous term plus common difference. Difference between 4 and 3 is 1. Difference between 7 and 4 is 3. Difference between 10 and 7 is 3. Difference between 11 and 10 is 1. That means this difference should be same for all the cases. It is different, so these terms are not in arithmetic progression. Let's check for other example whether these terms are in arithmetic progression or not. 8 minus 5, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. 14 minus 11, 3. 17 minus 14, 3. The common difference is same for all the terms, so these terms are in arithmetic progression. Let's check for other example also whether this is in arithmetic progression or not. Common difference you are getting has 20 for all the terms, so these terms are in arithmetic progression. You have to check second term minus first term, that difference should be equals to third term minus second term, that difference should be equal to nth term minus n minus 1th term value. Next term differs previous term by a fixed number. This number we call it as common difference in arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression we call D as common difference. Then what about A? A is the first term. A we call as first term and D we call as common difference. Like this, if you want to find 10th term, what will be your 10th term? First term is 1, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d, fifth term is a plus 4d, sixth term is a plus 5d, seventh term is a plus 6d, eighth term is a plus 7d. Like that it goes on. You need not check everything. You just analyze the series first. How to calculate nth term. Let's see how it is following. First term is a plus 0d, which I can write as 1 minus 1 into d. This is your first term. Second term I am writing as a plus 2 minus 1 into d. Third term is a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Yes, for the first term you are getting here 1, for the second term you are getting here 2, and for the third you are getting 3. Similarly, for the nth term it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term of arithmetic progression with common difference as d and first term has a is a plus n minus 1 into d. Then what is sum of n terms? If you want to find sum of first two terms of this arithmetic progression, you will add these two. If you want sum of first three terms, you will add these three terms. Like that, if you are asked to find sum of n terms and n is not mentioned, you have to add everything. How will you add? You use a formula which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is number of terms and a is first term, d is common difference. We use this formula and we calculate sum of n terms. If suppose we are required to find first two terms, let's cross check whether this formula is right or wrong. Let us find sum of first two terms. That is a plus d, which is 2a plus d. That means for sum of first two terms I am telling. That means here I am taking n has 2. So I am substituting in the place of n has 2. 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. Here again n is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. D by 2. 2 gets cancelled. It is 2a plus d. Let's cross check for n equals to 3 also. Let us suppose we shall add first three terms. Which gives you 3a plus 3d. Here n is 3. I am substituting n as 3 here. 2a plus 3 minus 1 is 2d divided by 2. Here from these 2 gets common outside and 2 gets cancelled. It will be 3a plus 3d. So this formula is right and you have to remember this. Instead of summing every term, if you want to calculate sum of n terms, you have to use this formula. Let's check our understanding. Here in this question it is asked to find 7th term, that is n is equals to 7. And for arithmetic progression, nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. We know this. Here a is first term, which is 5. So 5 plus n is 7. 7 minus 1 into d is difference between any two successive terms. You can take these two difference, 17 minus 13 or 21 minus 17, anything which is 21 minus 17, you are getting 4. Wherever you make minus, you will get 4 only. So substitute the common difference as 4 here. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. So 29 is the 7th term of this progression. We know our formula. We know what is first term. We know which term we are going to find. We know common difference. Substituting all the values, you will get the required term. Here, it is asked to find nth term for this. The formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is first term. It is 6. Then what to substitute in the place of n? Here it is asked nth term only. So substitute n as it is. N minus 1. What is common difference? Difference between term and its previous term. Let us take 11 minus 6, which is 5. So by solving this, you will get 6 plus 5n minus 5, which is equals to 5n plus 1. Substituting the values given in the series, first term and common difference, and you will get what will be nth term of the series. Let's solve one more question. Here it is asked to find sum of 50 terms of arithmetic progression. We know the formula. Sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is 2. I am writing here a equals to 2. And common difference is 3 minus 2, 1. D is 1. D equals to 1. And n is 50. N is equals to 50. So I am substituting this in this formula. I am getting 50 by 2 into 2 into a is 2 plus n is 50. 50 minus 1, 49. Into common difference is 1. 49 into 1 is 49. 2 into 2, 4. 49 plus 4 is 53. 53 into 50 by 2 is 25. 53 into 25 is 1325. So calculating sum of n terms, you use this formula. For calculating nth term, you use the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. First, check in the question whether it is asked to find sum of n terms or it is asked to find nth term of the progression. Then you proceed. For finding the nth term of arithmetic progression, you have to use the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. For finding sum of n terms, you have to use the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And you know first term a, and you know common difference, you have to find it from this term minus previous term, and you know what is n. Let's solve one more example. Here it is asked to find sum of n terms. We have taken the formula, and you know n is n because it is asked to find n terms, not any number is given. So I am substituting in the place of n has n only. And a is first term, which is 10, and common difference is 20 minus 10, which is 10. I am substituting 10 in the place of d. After substitution, you can solve the equation. You will get answer as 5n into n plus 2. Here one more type of question can be asked in arithmetic progression, which is this series is given. 217 will come in series. When will 217 come? See, if you are asked when will 17 come, you will say at the second position. When will 27 come? It is in the third position. Likewise, when will 217 come? This can be found. Nth term will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the term is 217. And a you know first term, that is 7. And n you don't know. So you make n has this n minus 1. And difference is 17 minus 7 is 10. After solving this equation, you will get what is the value of n. See, this equation we got just now. So after solving, you get n is 22. So 217 will be 22nd term of this series. In this video, we have learnt whether the given series is in a form of progression or not, and is it following arithmetic progression principle, that is common difference is same, and to find nth term if a series is given, and to find sum of n terms. In our next video, we shall learn on geometric progression. Thank you for watching.